Hi folks, Jay here from the Volo Auto Museum. Got a 1970 Chevelle for sale today, and this one's really affordable. So go to volocars.com. You're going to love the price. It's a lot of bang for the buck. Volocars.com is the website. This car's for sale along with a couple hundred others. All the details and specs will be there. Pictures underneath the car. But we're going to take it for a spin right now, and I'll tell you what I know about it. First of all, it's a 70 Chevelle. That's the ultimate muscle car. And look at the color. It's gorgeous. It's striking. It's got some Cragar wheels on it, 15-inch Cragars with BFG tires. A little bigger in the back, so it's got a nice stance. And again, real pretty color, clear coated. It's got nice metal flakes laid out evenly. All the chrome sparkles real nice. So this is not going to be one of those $50,000, $60,000 frame-up builds, but it's going to be a very affordable, nice-looking 70 Chevelle. And I didn't mention it's a big block under the hood. We'll get to that in a minute. It's got the SS dash with the round instruments, nice cushion grip steering wheel, bucket seats, console, turbo 400 trans in there. It's got power steering, power disc brakes in the front. The front end's been gone through. I seen it looked like new bushings. Motor compartment's really sharp. Under the hood, the firewall, inner fenders are all painted the body color, dressed up with plenty of chrome trim. The brake booster and master are chrome. Alternator, brackets. So it's got a 1969 dated 396 motor in here. It's got a GM intake, Holley dual feed carb, MSD ignition, power steering pump is even chromed. It's got a set of headers on it. So good looking motor compartment. So we're going to start it here in a minute. Sounds great too. Door jambs are real respectable. Trunk compartment's been cleaned up. The jamb under the lid is painted. The rubber's new. Does have a spare. All right, let's start it up. That's a nice idle. It's got a nice cam. Very snappy, responsive. Actually, it has the factory tachometer, and there's a tachometer on the column. They're both working. Why he has an extra one, I don't know. Yeah, that sounds good. So you're getting a big block 1970 Chevelle in really nice condition. You're going to like the price. Go to volocars.com, but don't wait too long. It might not be there by the time you check it out. Yeah, that sounds good. That's got a nice idle. So there you go. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go to volocars.com right now. You better jump on this one.